Visual narratives become stronger when frames create a natural flow across the design. Today, how to explore visual storytelling designs. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert a main rectangular frame slightly off-center, then add two smaller frames leading toward it diagonally. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for balance. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Add thin line elements connecting the frames, lowering their opacity to guide the eye. Slightly rotate one smaller frame to introduce movement. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining flow. Add minimal text using a modern font.